Alright, so let's have a look at the digestive system and the different parts of that. We'll do this fairly quickly. So here is our digestive system. The esophagus is actually spelled incorrectly on this diagram. Get rid of that E, and it's O-E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. And first we'll look at the oral cavity or the mouth. Basically, this is where digestion starts, and this is where mechanical digestion and chemical digestion starts. So first off, digestion, if something is digested, it is broken down. It is made smaller. Next we move from there into the salivary glands, and this is what produces the saliva, which holds the amylase for chemical digestion. Then we move to the stomach. Okay, this is where food is stored and churned. It's churned up as part of mechanical digestion, so you put a little M there, and it hits with the acids, which makes it have chemical digestion, and that acid is hydrochloric acid. Then we look at the pancreas, which is where the hormones, in particular the ones relating to the regulation of glucose, are produced. Then we get to the liver, and we'll have a look at the liver. The liver is basically a giant filter. It essentially breaks down biomolecules and old blood, and in this case toxins. So something hit when it gets towards the liver, it gets broken down before it's moved on. So next, we want to look at the gallbladder. This is where bile comes from. So bile is stored and concentrated in the gallbladder. Now, the small intestine is where digestion is finished, mostly. So now we get to the large intestine, which is where water is reabsorbed back into the body. Now, if you have a colostomy bag, for example, you're actually missing your part of your large intestine, which is your colon, and this means you will struggle to maintain enough water in your body, so you have to drink even more. It's also where salt and the ions are reabsorbed back into the body, as well as where feces are stored and formed, basically. And then we get to the anus, which is for the elimination of feces. Alright, so now I want you to go over that, make sure you understand it, and I'll see you next time.